And so now is the time when we just get to let go and we let God. And so we just start off by maybe taking a few deep breaths. Take a deep breath in and let it go. And take another deep breath in, let it go. And maybe just one more. Take a deep breath in and let it go. And if you feel comfortable, close your eyes. If not, just a soft, gentle gaze is fine. But bring your attention into your heart. And just imagine this light coming down. It's coming into the top of your head, coming down your body and into your heart. And just imagine that this is the light of God. And as it goes into your body, goes into your heart, it just begins to feel your entire presence. Fill it. And just continue to receive. There's nothing you have to do. It knows what to do. Your soul knows what to do. And the only thing we need to do is just get out of the way and receive. So just tell yourself, I receive. I open myself to receiving the love and the light of Source. I'm open to letting that do whatever I need. Whatever spirit is leading me to. I completely surrender. And I let this love inside of me heal me. In all places, through all time, through all dimensions, through all realities. I surrender it into the light. I let go. And as you go deeper into this meditation, feel the connection with yourself and feel the connection with Spirit. Imagine just being held by the hands of the divine. You can do that. You really can just let go. Letting go of the troubles, letting go of the worries, feeling this incredible peace, this incredible love. And just allowing it to continue to process. I receive, I receive, I receive. And just imagine being so filled that you're now overflowing. And that love and that joy now starts to fill up the entire room. And now we are able to share it with everybody in this room, and this room begins to fill. Now imagine this love, this light going far beyond this room and continues to flow with the intention of spreading all across the city, the state, this country, and now all over the world. And just imagine this light is touching every single person, every single plant, every single animal, every single thing within this earth, on this earth, and around this earth. And our love is making a difference. If there's any place that you would like to send it specifically, do it now. Whether there's a situation with a friend, a family member, or something going on the planet that you just want to share an additional light and additional love, go ahead and do that. Whatever you can think of. Just know that we have that power within us, and where two or more are gathered, it's even more. Send it. Send it. Send it. And now we slowly begin the process of coming back. Spending a moment just to thank Spirit. Thank you, God. Thank you, thank you, thank you for everything. For all the blessings I can see and all the ones I can't. Open my mind, open my heart, open my eyes to know that in every moment you're there. And all I need to do is remember that. To remember who I am and remember who you are. Help me with that, God. Help me see you more.